Can you just bring me back to... Okay, I am live right now. Oh! Okay. 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 I can... Okay. Okay. Now... I'm going to make one more Instagram post. Hey Jesse, does the link still work? You gotta put that into OBS. I can't say I totally understand what you mean by that. Put it into OBS. Aha. Now I have a pop-out chat that is a thing. Oh, and then I can, if I wanted to, I could make that part of the stream. But that, I don't want it taking up screen space like that. I don't understand. I'm gonna have to pause this.
Yo, yo, yo. Okay, so um, what I'm gonna do is on your sources tab, click on the plus, and then add the browser. And then this you can just call it whatever. So I'll just do like YouTube chat, and then I'll go ahead and click OK. And then what you want to do is in this URL, you want to put that second link that I sent. So the studio.youtube.com thing.
Transitions. Sources. Um, Audio mixer, scene transitions, controls. Um,
Then I'll go ahead and click OK. And then this you can. What I'm gonna do.
I don't have a sources tab open on OBS right now. Oh, wait, yes I do. Okay, I understand. Cancel. Found it.
Is on your sources tab, click on the plus, and then add the browser. And then this you can just call it whatever. So I'll just do like YouTube chat, and then I'll go ahead and click OK.
Okay.
And then what you want to do is in this.
I think I understand what I need to do.
this URL, you want to put that second link that I sent, so the studio.youtube.com thing, this right here. And then after this V right here, you need to put in this ID from the video. Yo, yo, yo. Okay, so um, what I'm gonna do is on your source.com thing, this right here, you need ID from the video, like this here. Um, put this after this V equals. The CSS here, your custom CSS, you get that from the chat v2.septipus.com or whatever. And you can customize this however you want to. But what you do is you take the CSS area down here, you just copy all of this and custom CSS, and then I think that's all you do. Just click OK, and then if you're signed in onto OBS, you can remove this like bottom bar thing in here.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Cut transitions. Uh, order. Yep, I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Close. Um, what's the setting that allows you to adjust the width and height of everything? Aha! I think I found it. Close. How are we feeling about that? Okay, refresh. Okay, it did not refresh it. Transition. There we go. That's much better. How's that? Let's not do that. That's my Unity. Okay. Good. Cool. Cool. Yay. Now, you can get like, I don't know, 5, maybe one person who's interested in making upgrades. That would be very cool. That'd be the coolest. Question. Can I like, I know I can dock to YouTube chat. I think I can dock it on the side of my screen. And then I can have Unity on the other side. And then I have my chat. I have my chat on the side of my screen, and that's great. That's awesome. Um, okay. Do do do. Okie dokie. Yes. Ba-dum-bum. Okay. Correct. So, is that me and Jesse having the time of our lives? Jesse, if you wanted to post the stream link in anywhere and everywhere that you can without being a jerk. Yeah, I won't complain. I'm kind of poking around Discord, sending stuff in like self promo channels and stuff like that. But so yeah. This morning I worked on um, getting the main menu for the game. At least like looking halfway decent. It's not final, and it needs like a title card. Um, but I'm just generally pretty happy with it. It doesn't do anything, but yeah, button scaling. I tried putting particles whenever you'd hover over the button, but I did not like them very much. So, but that's not what I'm worried about today. Today, I want to make a bunch of upgrades. Make a bunch of upgrades for my game. So I gotta go and I gotta make sure that my browser tabs are good. I can reveal that. And then I also that right there. Yeah. Ba-da-ba. So I'm going to be creating here. Let me post. I'm gonna grab all of the stats that we have that we can play around with. Stats, stats. Yeah. So this is basically all of the stats that I have in the game that can be messed around with using the upgrade cards. So we'll see what we can do. So, goodness. Um, Sort of a gun that turns your main weapon into a machine gun would be cool. Um, Something like pew pew, and then we can basically longer reload load time. We can lower cooldown down, and then um, lower bullet size, and then clip size. So right now y'all are able to see this. Cool, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, but basically stuff like that, where I'm just going through and I can actually add these into the game pretty easily. So I think PP would be, we need just like a normal damage dealing card. Um, um, that's one thing we need. And then we also need, oh goodness, what are some other holes that you can get when playing that game? Some holes in your build. Do. One is like where your bullets just don't do enough damage. And right now there's a problem in the game where damage can go negative. I'll go ahead and fix that. Uh, if I can. I think I can. Player stats. Ooh, do I remember how to clamp? I don't remember the syntax for clamping. The syntax for Um, Math F clamp. And with this, can I clamp between so there are lots of stats I might not be able. So there's a problem where if you add too much bullet speed, um, my brain, oh my gosh, um, no, if you take away too much bullet speed, it will hit negative and turn around and just shoot behind you. Same thing with damage. If you take away enough damage, if you like, there's a card that gives you more bullets but less damage and less size. If you take that card too many times, your bullets will start healing enemies. Um, and I want to stop that from happening, and or like just clearly communicate to the player what's happening, because usually you don't. It's like, why are enemies taking damage? It's because your bullets are actually healing the enemies. So, but yeah. Okay, I will be right back. Ah, you left. That's nice. Okay, okay. Okay. Y'all are seeing the Google Doc. Cool. Um, I am going to be taking a lot of inspiration from rounds in just about everything that I'm going to do. Time, and then ooh, like we could do a shotgun gun one. So that would be um, no, there's nobody there. I'm alone. I'm alone in this world. What if I need some music? um, I'm going to. Where is? Oh, I'm on. Technically, this is my. Um, I don't normally listen to music on that. I had a pretty good one that was just like old music that I used to listen to. I was listening to it the other day. uh, okay, are y'all able to hear? Well, Yeah, are you guys able to hear the music? Oh, I guess it also has to be the correct music. I guess I... Okay, cool. But also, I need to do streaming friendly music. These are things that I've never thought about before. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I know all of his stuff is good. Wait. Why isn't it working? I don't know why it's not working. Okay. I know that, like, a lot of indie game soundtracks, like the Hollow Knight OST, are chill. I think I have Hollow Knight OST. Ugh, bro. Too many things running on my computer right now. But if I go here, I can just do soundtracks. And then... Okay. How is that music? JJ. That should be good. Size, projectile amount. Okay, now let's just implement one of these. So if I want to create something like Pew Pew, I can go into yeah. Yep. Okay. So if I want to create something like um, Pew Pew, I can go ahead and go into Unity. Resources, and I need to create a prefab variant, I can just, in this case, I can copy one of these and then rename it. Oh my gosh, I have my game immunity running. Pew pew, and then I go down to here. This upgrade variable thing right here, this just explains, it's the display of the card. This doesn't affect functionality. So, yeah, rename time. So I can just go makes gun go burr. Burr. And I don't need to put a variable for now. I'll do that later. Then I go into here and then I create a scriptable object. Upgrade. I take upgrade. We're going to call it pew pew. Upgrade name. Pew. And then this is the important part, is the upgrade type. Because right now, these don't all have functionality. But I believe the top 3 do. If it's a basic upgrade, that means it upgrades a base stat. This can't be the stat of like an individual weapon. That doesn't work. This can't be, you can't like add a weapon with this upgrade type. This has to just be a basic stat that you're upping. Basic upgrade, and then this is where we can add the actual like variables that we want to change. So reload time, cooldown. So because it affects weapon cooldown, I believe this does make it weapon mod as well. What speed? Bullet size. 2. Minus 0.5. I also have no way. Heyo! How's it going? Right now I am working on getting upgrades into my game because the game works, it functions. You can choose upgrades that'll affect gameplay in the way that I want them to, but there just aren't very many in the game. So I need to keep chat on the side of my screen so I can see that, because I would like to see that. Five. Cooldown. Ammo. That's like 10 actually. we want this to do less damage. So we're gonna be shooting lots of little bullets. Nice one. So, I don't know if this will fully work. And now Pew Pew is not a basic upgrade. Well, it's a weapon mod. If one of the upgrades is a mod to any of the other 3 weapons in the game, right now there's a flamethrower, there's an orb that rotates around you, kind of like the Bible in Vampire Survivors. It just rotates around you. Flamethrower, orb, and there's a melee weapon. If you're going to upgrade one of those 3, it needs to go in a different file. But if it's upgrading like the base bullet, the base gun, you don't need to do anything specific for that. Okay. So, this is slightly convoluted, but I believe the way you mess with, like, this is how you do weapon mods. This is how you, instead of in the scriptable object, it's actually in the upgrade script, is the way that you mess with a gun's stats. Let me show this real quick. So if I need to go into the main scene of the game. The game manager holds all of these are the player stats. There, I believe 37 that actually, probably like 1 or 2 of these don't function or do anything, but most of them do. These are the stats for most of the weapons and stuff like that. Or not for the most of the weapons, for most of the things other than a weapon. But when you go to the goblin, the main character, he is the one who holds this gun element that has like the delay, the cooldown, the ammo, and the clip size. Versus if I want to do like burn damage or the stacks of burn that the bullet applies, I can do that through the stats. So. Alright, now this is. So, I don't know if this will function. I think it might. We're gonna go ahead and see if it works at all. Um, this is my button for adding XP to the game. It's the only like cheat that I have right now. But I'm just gonna see if I can get the new upgrade to pull up. I should have a better way of doing this for sure. This is terrible. I'm not seeing Pew Pew pop up like at all. Hmm. Okay. Let's see, because oh, I forgot to switch it, so it's showing up as Big Bullet instead of Pew Pew. That's why. So it's possible that I even chose it, but it wasn't showing up because I had it pulling from the Big Bullet scriptable object instead of the Pew Pew scriptable object. Come on. Oh, please? Please? Please show up? Ah, there we are. Let's see if this functions. Okay, a little bit. Not really. It was supposed to add, like, a lot more ammo than that. I don't think... Oh, I believe I set it to, like... Yeah, add 20. Then here, I said it's like 10. Here, I'll make it 20 in both. Let me just try and understand why. Okay, cool. We got it first try. Now let's pause the game. Let's go and let's look at the currently the ammo and clip size are standard. Let me go ahead and fire off this clip. Okay, it didn't get changed at all. So it looks like we're going to hunt down bugs. Let me look for ammo. Ammo is 20. So is it because it is at its base? I think I know why. I know why it's causing this problem. Yeah, if I can get a little bit. It's a little bit harsh. This is a terrible room for doing this. It truly is. Ugh. I go. So I believe it's looking at this and it's not looking at upgrade type, it's looking at up type. Maybe. No, I think it's looking at upgrade types. Let me. Okay, so when I choose a card, it checks if the upgrade info dot up type. I don't think it's supposed to be up type. Dot u. It should be upgrade types or each. Okay, I need to change this. Or each. Dot. Info. Oop, come on. It's chucking. Dot. String. Or each string upgrade types in. Ugh, it is chugging. It's having a terrible time trying to do this. We might not be able to do programming full. Oh my gosh. Okay. String. String. Because that's all it is. In. You. Okay. Nope. It's cold. Oh, are y'all not? Oh crap! I just accidentally clicked on a new program. Whee! Why do I have this many things? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I accidentally opened Kdenlive, and now my computer is going to struggle. So hard, man. I should not have accidentally clicked on that. Oh no. What my stream is even trying to do right now. Woo! No, we want you closed. Closing everything is not absolutely necessary. Okay. Okay. I feel like this should be much better now. Now it should read these upgrade types instead of just this up type right here. Let's see how we're doing. It might have to reload before it realizes that it has new stats. I do not know. Okay, the bullet speed is definitely up. Ugh. Ugh. No. Still did not function. So yeah, magic melee is there. We only have a clip size of 5. We probably still have an ammo that's like 20. Yeah, our ammo is still 20. Which is great. It's fantastic, but neither our cooldown nor our gun is being. Okay, what if weapon mod? It's a basic upgrade and it's weapon mod. GPU. Sadly, I do have the types correctly. So let me 4 each. So this is triggering 4 each. So we should be... Oh, addable weapon. Okay, so I think I need to go to um, the basic upgrades, pew pew, and then I need to make the addable weapon magic bullet. Magic bullet is just the name of my main projectile weapon. I just realized. Blue, let's not do that. Okay, now, come on. Now, I know that preview scene, program scene. Yeah. Um, oh, you're back. Cool. Um, so okay. I actually think it will work this time. I think we'll have a machine gun card in the game now. Oh, come on. Maybe it'll only work after the reload finishes. If so, that's a no. Okay. I really thought that was it. Mm. The weapon type, the weapon cooldown, weapon clip size. Okay. Gun cooldown. did I get? I have a debug actually. Weapon cooldown dot stat value. It's just gonna be the number. Shoot script exists. Is that being called? Shoot scripts exists. Adding weapon. Wait. 5, 10, 15, 25. That's add XP. Shoot scripts exists. Script exists. Where is that? Stacks. Basic upgrade. Close menu. Adding stacks. So wait. We did not get a shoot script exists? Let me just keep playing and see. So right now, I have other cards that are able to successfully, like, mess with gun stats. And I want to see if I can get one of them to come up. Gun Overdrive. Now if I pause the game and I go back, I just got Gun Overdrive. Found a gun to mod. Sound triggered. Wait. Sound grid. Found a gun to mod. Oh, hey, I found a gun to mod. Let me look at this. Magic Bullet has all this stuff. Parent card, Gun Overdrive. Says weapon mod. I wonder for each gun, yeah, we're just like looking through the guns. Hmm. Weapon mod. Pew pew. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's amazing. That's so. This is why. Let's go. I don't know if we added to the clip size, but oh yeah, no, we did, we did. Oh my goodness, how fun is that? And my 20 bullets is for sure. 20 bullets is for sure too much for that upgrade. That's just like entirely too much. But like, and maybe I think I should make the bullets a little bit smaller so they feel like more machine gunny. They already feel quite machine gunny. But those work. Are shrinking. I think everything is functioning now, but I should find it should not be still checking. It's still checking the wrong slot on the scriptable object, and I would like to look into that. So, okay, 20 is just too much. Let's do 10. And then we gotta also. Jesse, do you have any like ideas for an upgrade? I don't think either of these function. Um, like I realized that wasn't quick or easy. Nuclear bomb upgrade with insane screen shake that destroys the entire game and cause yeah. I think that's really a fantastic idea. Um, I'll get to that right away. But sadly, there's nothing in my game that causes insane amounts of screen shake. So, and this is not a programming new features into the game. This is just creating upgrades. And then we gotta send this on to 10. And then I do want to find where it's checking the wrong thing. Ooh. Okay. Oh, wait. I literally just. I'm an idiot, man. Like, I just changed this. Except I didn't. It's literally, I forgot to copy this over, man. Oh my gosh. It's fine. Okay. Okay, that's like I'm a big fan of that. We'll see whether it's completely. Oh, we also want to increase the well, decrease the size of the bullets just a little bit. I think that's I am using my mic. I believe so. Let me double check. I realized just now that it might be the wrong one. Let me turn this. I'm using the wrong mic. I didn't realize I wasn't using my good mic. It's using the wrong one. Yeah. Let me fix that. Okay. Is that better? That should sound just a lot better. Is it too loud? Yeah, that's okay. Okay, awesome, awesome. Sorry, I have my good mic sitting right here. I just was not aware that I wasn't using it till now. Yep. So, I'm gonna open up the Google Doc again. Just on my phone. And look at the other stuff that I came up with. Here, let's do a shotgun. Yeah, let's turn it up a bit. Gotcha. That sucks that I wasn't using the correct mic. Well, now I know. Okay. We can go ahead and we can make a shotgun. Create an upgrade. Shotgun. Well, yeah. Shotgun. Wait. Apparently I already have a shotgun. Scriptable object. Shotgun. This is going to be a basic upgrade and a weapon mod. We'll actually add a little bit of damage for the shotgun. Projectile amount 4. We'll add 4 projectiles. We need to add a good amount of spread. 5 spread. Bullet speed. I think I'm gonna go I'm gonna actually remove some bullet speed. I don't know if that's the correct choice, but it's what I'm gonna go for. And then bullet lifetime needs to -2. We need to shorten that bullet's life a lot. We need to go ahead and make the bullet smaller. Both of these are making the bullet smaller. And then see, one of the I'm gonna add the shotgun, but I actually don't think it's a good upgrade for this game because your main weapon is usually your long range, and all of the other 3 weapons in the game are all like relatively short range. So I don't know if people will actually use it at all. Yeah, I don't think it needs to add or remove ammo. Yeah. Bullet size, and then we could add an ammo and remove and lower the cooldown. So sure, you have more shots, but you have more time in between shots. I think that could be pretty good. Okay, but we gotta go into this other file, the basic upgrades file, and we'll just copy Pew Pew because they're very similar. We'll use that. Shotgun. Rename file. Shotgun. Shotgun. Yes, is a magic bullet upgrade. And cooldown will get plus 0.5. And then ammo plus like 1. I think that'll feel pretty good. And then a description for the shotgun. A burst of small bullets. Yeah. Shotgun. Okay. I think this should function. I do need a debug mode where I can just select any upgrade that I want instead of having to do this crap. Hey! First try. What? Why did... Okay, the bullet lifetime is either not working or it needs to go even further down. That's a lot of bullets, but they should, like, not have even close to that amount of life. Because right now, this is just sit around, hit button, and win simulator. Which is great and all, but not exactly what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to add Pew Pew. And we can have both at the same time. Okay, there's something that's going wrong with the upgrade select. And like pausing and starting the game. Interesting. Come on. See, now I have machine gun and shotgun together. I'm invincible. Nothing can stop me now. So I'm gonna see if I can turn the bullet lifetime like way down. Let me also check that real quick. Bullet lifetime. Bullet lifetime. Remember. So we're good to go. To shotgun. Shotgun. Bullet lifetime. Like -6. And then. Because let me look at the base bullet lifetime. I don't know what it is. The lifetime. Bullet lifetime's only 1. What? Okay. 2. My bullets actually pull from that stat. There we go. So now, I'll make the bullet lifetime. Three. And then we'll make the shotgun -2. We'll see if that works. Shotgun. Why specifically when I choose shotgun does it do it? Okay, the bullet's lifetime is ridiculously low. Apparently 1 is like way too low. We'll go in here. We'll mess with this a little bit. Oh, it went to -1. Maybe I didn't save it. Okay. Too high. Bullet lifetime. We'll go to 1. Okay, that's not like bad. They do also need to not disappear. They need to go through more of a sequence. But okay, bullet lifetime needs to be even lower. To be like, yeah.
Also, I should have shields. I don't know. Like, functionally, this is basically what I want. But I need them to sort of not just disappear. They need to like shrink and. Yeah. Yeah, let me look at my list. That's like fine. It's fine. The machine gun one was definitely like way more fun feeling. Oof. Does Gun Plus? I have an upgrade called Gun Plus, which is supposed to just kind of make your gun better. I do not know. It increases. Wait. Increases reload time? It should not increase reload time. Should lower it. Lower reload time. Gun Plus. It lowers bullet cooldown, it adds more bullets, and it should lower reload. That's all. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and create a damage card. But that's more... Damage is more of a... Probably choosing to stream on the 4th was a terrible idea. Probably the worst idea in the world. I'll do this again at some point. But I really, really doubt anyone else is going to show up. So, this was honestly a fantastic test stream. But, yeah. I think that's that. I probably spent way too long, like, leaning in, having my face, like, 2 inches from the screen. It was probably super fun to watch. And I didn't have my correct mic at first, which was very silly. But yeah. Thank you, Philip and Jesse, for helping me get all the details ironed out. But I'm exhausted. Wow, that's a mental strain. So yeah. It was a very interesting experience. I'll probably look back at the footage, and my mouth is just hanging open the entire time.